Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy that you're here again. But if you're new to the channel, I'm Dani for Dani Tutorials, and here on my channel we make everything craft. Everything that you can use your creativity and your hands, we can make it. From Cricut to polymer clay to cold porcelain to paper, watercolor, and all that fun. To decorations for your house or for your party, for invitations, party favors, and all that jazz. But today I'm gonna show you how to make this pretty cute napkin holder. Then I spent $2 on from that little decoration that Dollar Tree had it. I show you guys on my haul. I will leave the link for you guys if you want to see how it was in like just one piece for you to make it. But I got two, as I told you on the haul. Always get two, and then just put a base together. We make it a little prettier, and that is it. It's not gonna say cheap because cheap looks not good. Sounds like it's crappy, right? So it's not expensive and it's pretty cute for as a gift. Who doesn't want to have a pretty napkin holder on the top of the table for Christmas, right? It's not pretty. So I show you this one, and also at the Dollar Tree haul, then I show you guys. I got the snowman one, and I got this one that was the little house. So I wanted to show you guys the easy way to make it, because you don't almost need materials. As you can see, it comes like this without the glitter, and then we're gonna make it prettier and set up to hold it like this. But I wanted to show you guys also how to make it even cuter. I'm using an acrylic ball to make kind of like a snow globe effect. We put some glitter, some fake snow, some little balls, some decoration, and look at this. It can even be a snow globe if you want to put a picture in the middle. Can be for decoration. You can put it on the tree, or you can make another napkin holder with this one too. It's super cute. I didn't finish this as napkin holder because I had it too, and I have two girls and they came here and they wanted to put it on the night table as a decoration for Christmas because they love to shake this. So I kind of let my heart go and gave to them. But I'm pretty sure I might need to go to the Dollar Tree and get another two of those because it looks so cute with the acrylic ball as the snow globe. Of course, you can put the acrylic ball on this one with a little bit of snow as well. Ideas here, we can make tons of different ones. You can put a picture, you can put your favorite princess, Disney princess. If you're making for little ones, you can just decorate and make your house even prettier and festive. So thank you so much guys for being here on the channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, so I know what to bring for you. I know what you guys are liking it, so it's easier for me to base myself. Also, to press the bell button so you get notifications that all new content that is coming. Is gonna have a lot of cool things into Christmas, and also to subscribe to the channel so you can find me and I can find you again. I cannot find you if you don't find me, so push that button so we can talk again. Thank you so much guys, and let's start this tutorial. Okay, so we're going to start with some puffy paint. I found those at the dollar store. You can use glitter glue, or you can use just some clear glue and a little bit of glitter as well. I just wanted to give a little bit more of the 3D dimension to those little details, but you totally don't need to do that. It's just some extra, then I can show you guys. So I'm just going with the green all over it and letting it dry. Just be careful because it really makes a mess if you touch it when it's not completely dry. So we're gonna use the green and the red for the ribbon, the presents, and his gloves, and also his hat. I kind of like it to use the puffy paint. I don't even know how. I think it's like a dimensional paint, and better than the glitter glue sometimes, because I feel that the glitter glue is a little bit more running and then sometimes makes a mess, and then I like to put as much glitter after I want. So I want it to be like a 3D effect more than the glitter effect, but if you have glitter glue, is the same. I'm just going over with some black, white and red, just mixing it at the end of his little scarf to give a little more detail, and then we can play around with the glitter. Don't forget that I'm not showing you guys how to put the acrylic ball on this one, just the next one, but you totally can use the acrylic ball and some fake snow too. Just don't forget to let all this that we're making right now dry before you throw the snow on top of it or try to close it the ball, because then it's gonna mess it up everything. As a little tip and how I use my glitter, I always put a piece of paper underneath, like you seen, like that, so I can bang it right there and tap it, get the excess off. And then the easy way to don't lose all this glitter is just fold your paper and come down. That's why normally in all my videos you're gonna see a little piece of paper when I'm playing around with glitter. So see, that's the difference, and it's almost nothing. I got a little bit of piece as a trim. Then we had it here. Then he was making some shelves for me for my new craft room, and I asked my husband to cut it in the size of that base, and then I'm just gluing around. I use a hot glue because I didn't have more my E600 6000 glue. You can use that as well, but I'm gonna say I have 4 kids and they have playing around with that, and it's still glued, so it's not going anywhere. Hot glue is gonna hold it just fine. So just hold it together. You can paint the edge in red or green or whatever. I like the wood. I just took the stickers off the inside so you don't see it, and then you have the glitter side and then normal the way it came side. So it's pretty easy and straightforward in how to put this napkin holder together. So I had it exactly for some not miracle because I probably have so many stuff in here, but the acrylic ball will fit exactly there. So I got this idea and I wanted to try. I'm getting a little bit of the fake snow we got at the same haul. Then I show you guys this decoration for the Dollar Tree. So I am putting a little bit of the fake snow in both of the halves, and then I also put a little of the clear glitter just to give even a little bit more shine. I felt like cooking, you mix a little bit and a little bit and put this ingredient and that ingredient, and then I try to just pick through those balls in silver and white and get the tiny ones just to have something to float around inside the globe. So that's why you see me picking on them. I didn't want something really big since the house and the windows are small. We don't want to put a gigantic ball inside. I got the little ball of the ribbon undone, and then I'm going with a hot glue. I'm putting more hot glue on the top of the part than is going on the top of the glove, because it's going to be right on top of the wood, and a little bit less glue on the bottom where the Merry Christmas and the raffia is. So I know that on the top is going to be very glue and it's not going to flow around or come anything that is inside out. And then in the bottom I got that raffia out. You can get completely out and then put it back again, or just like me, I just took the ribbon out and then I'm just putting a little glue to close. And this one I decided to put a little tiny pine tree where the Christmas tree was, just to give a little extra and to see, also to learn if the result when you shake it, you will be able to see it, and you do see it, so it's very cute. And we're gonna make the same thing with the glue, a little bit more glue on the top but glue all around. You don't even need to worry about the glue on the bottom, because it's the hardest part, because you putting your acrylic ball tilted on the wood. So if you have a little space on the bottom, all the fake snow is going to come off. But you don't need to worry. If you have any like edge or something that is not completely touching the acrylic and the wood, just go over with your hot glue, even if it goes inside the ball too, because then you just shake it, that fake snow, and it's gonna have snow on the floor, on the ground next to the house. So it's not a problem. It's not like, that's what I was worried about when I had that idea. But like this, because it's a little house and the snow is gonna be on the floor as well, see, the glue is holding everything inside. I made the edge, and now I just gonna put my raffia on that excess of glue then we place on the bottom to close that hole between the acrylic ball and the wood. So we can just put it there. You can even put extra raffia, but I want it a little red, so I just put the pre-made ribbon right there, and it's done. You can use this as a decoration. As I told you in the beginning of the video, you can put a picture of your kids there or the teacher, or you can put them together with a little wood and make the napkin holder. But if you don't want wood, you don't have wood, you don't want to go to the trouble somebody cut it, just get a bunch of little pieces of cardboard, the foam board, and you can find at Dollar Tree and just cut it as thick enough for you to put it the napkin in the middle, and then you glue them all together. I glued them with hot glue. I was making sure to cut it then all the same, so the edges were the same, and then I just wrapped a red tape. I had a wash tape as a candy can, and then you can use that as a base. You're just gonna glue exactly like we did with the wood. The piece of wood from the Dollar Tree is already heavy enough to keep this standing, so you do not need be a piece of wood in the middle to stand, but just let it dry completely, and then you have your second one. I actually really want to put the acrylic ball on the snow man one, because it looks so much cuter. I don't know why. I had this idea because of the house, but I think it looks so cute, and then I need to do for the other one. So here you can see with some napkins, and it's done, and it's super cute, a perfect present. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell button, and give me a like, and leave me a comment what you want to see. Thank you so much, guys. I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye.